Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will read the page number 6 and 7. So let's start. Heidi lived with her aunt Tate in a little town in Switzerland. What is the meaning of live? To stay, okay? Heidi कहाँ रहती थी? aunt Tate के साथ little town स्विट्ज़रलैंड में रहती थी. स्विट्ज़रलैंड के एक टाउन में रहती थी हाइडी. The town was near some mountains. Where was the town? It was near some mountains. One day, Aunt Tate said, "Today, we will go and see your grandfather." एक दिन क्या हुआ? आंट टेट ने उसे कहा कि आज हम आपके ग्रैंडफादर के पास जाएंगे. Heidi's grandfather lived in the mountain. Okay, so here is the question that where were Heidi's grandfather live? तो उसके हाइडी के ग्रैंडफादर कहाँ रहते थे? He was lived in the mountain. Now here is the page number 8. While Heidi and Aunt Tate were walking up the mountains, they saw a boy called Peter. Okay? जब हाइडी और आंट डेट माउंटेन की तरफ जा रहे थे तो उन्होंने एक बॉय देखा. वो बॉय कौन था? He was Peter. And who was Peter? Peter was a boy. Peter looked after the goats on the mountain. Peter क्या करता था? Goats की looked after करता था. Okay. Peter looked after the goats on the mountains. Today, they walked to grandfather's house. He came out to meet them. They walked to grandfather's house. वो grandfather के घर गए और वो फिर grandfather उन सब से मिले. You can look at the picture that grandfather is meeting with the grandfather is meeting with the Heidi, and he is very happy grandfather, and